Another nice option is the speech-to-text feature, and this is built directly into Google Docs environment. So this is not an extension, add-on, or app, although there are those that will do the same thing, but this is simple. It's built right into Google, and it provides some basic functionality. This is particularly useful perhaps for students who may have some difficulty in keyboarding or writing themselves. So students have different needs, and this is one that may be made of this is one tool that may be made available to students with particular needs. So to start with, I'm just going to make a new Google Doc. Under Tools, I will find Voice Typing, and it's going to tell me just to click on it to speak. So this is a new tool to me. Period. You'll find it takes some effort to use. Period. New paragraph. You must learn the different voice command options in order to be successful. Period. I have included a link in the additional resource section that should help you to learn those voice commands if you choose. Period. New paragraph. One thing you can do is to format the text. Period. Go to beginning of paragraph. Select one thing you can do is to format the text. Select one thing you can do is to format the text. Select one thing you can do. Select one thing. Bold, italics, underline. Move to end of paragraph. Backspace, backspace. Stop listening. Okay, that temporarily shut off the device, so we can talk now without incurring a lot of text on the page. I've included in additional resources a link to Typing with Your Voice, which is a Google Help doc. One thing that's very useful is the voice commands down here. I have found that not all of them work entirely. One I've had trouble is this resume voice typing. Now that I've paused it with the last command, I should be able to say resume, and yet I have to click it. That's a relatively minor thing. Having trouble with the microphone hearing you, microphone isn't working, voice commands aren't working, so this is a troubleshoot section. A basic introduction to how to use it. So as I said, something worth playing around with. It takes a little bit of time for students to learn, but if you have a student who has real difficulty in being able to get things down on a paper with keyboarding, this might be a good option for them.